भाई ये शरीर के वाले हैं।
The following video is a part of the visionary package in case you find the video helpful and want to watch more such videos like air conditioning system, refrigeration system, chemical handling on ship, compressed air system, etc. Find the link of the visionary package in the description box below. You can also check out our courses on merchantnavydecoded.com. All the content on the Merchant Navy Decoded website aims at helping you get selected in a good shipping company or college, helping you get faster promotions, but most importantly, guide you to earn respect on ship.
I learned something very new today and was very happy, and that was regarding Humidistat. And I thought, since I showed you how a Humidistat works, this is in a chief engineer's cabin, this is fitted for the minimum one. I thought let's open and see. As I told you guys, Humidistat has got a human hair fitted inside, and that human hair, if the humidity increases, then what happens is that human length increases, and if the humidity decreases, then human length decreases, and accordingly it works on a micro switch function and gives a signal. I have opened this. So guys, these are the human hair fitted over here, you see, and guys, this is the micro switch fitted behind. This is the micro switch fitted behind. भाई ये शरीर के वाले हैं. I hope you guys remember these are human hair, guys. So if the humidity will increase, the length of these hair is going to increase. If the humidity decreases, the length of these hair is going to decrease, and accordingly we have got a set point, and this gives a measured value. So measured value is coming from this human hair, and set point is set over here. Copied, guys? So this is what you had to know.
If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. To watch more such technical videos, click on the playlist given on the screen. To watch more such videos, you can find the link of the visionary package in the description box below. Thank you.